Nasa beach. Mag-swimming me. You laughed, said I couldn't sing along. You wore cutoffs and a sun-kissed shoulder. I swore right then I'd never get older. Thought that kind of fire never fades, but it's gone like the heat in them August days. Last summer, we were wild, we were free. Every kiss tasted like sweet iced tea. We were tan lines, late nights, two hearts on fire, burning like the tires on my old Goodyear wires. We thought forever was a season we'd keep, but it slipped away quicker than the tide on the beach. Yeah, I've been chasing that high, but there's no other. Feels like last summer. You left town when the leaves turned rust. Said you had dreams that didn't need dust. I stayed here 'cause it's all I knew, but I still drive past where I first kissed you. Your perfume's hiding in the back of my truck. That worn-out blanket we used for luck. I can still hear you humming that same old tune when the moon was the only light in the room. Last summer, we were wild, we were free. Every kiss tasted like sweet iced tea. We were tan lines, late nights, two hearts on fire, burning like the tires on my old Goodyear wires. We thought forever was a season we'd keep, but it slipped away quicker than the tide on the beach. Yeah, I've been chasing that high, but there's no other. Feels like last summer. I still taste the salt from the ocean air, still see that sun in your tangled hair, and I'd tread every mile on this old truck's dash for one more night that I can't get back. Last summer, we were wild, we were free. Every kiss tasted like sweet iced tea. We were tan lines, late nights, two hearts on fire, burning. Idol guys, we're gonna... Daddy, ipalayas ka niyo naka sa beach.
Goodyear wires, we thought forever was a season we'd keep, but it slipped away quicker than the tide on the beach. Yeah, I've been chasing that high.
Hello guys!
Hi!
Hello idol guys! Sinasya, dami
Mga ka-idol guys!
Bila sinasya!
Mga ka-idol guys!
Pagbahala og swim. Here is.
There's no other. Feels like last summer.
Ayun!
Okay, how about you? Show me. Wow.
Hello guys! Hello!